Every great leader starts by helping others succeed. That's what the Drive Host program is all about, helping others succeed today. The Host program turns shop owners into leaders, sharing proven strategies, solving real challenges, and creating measurable results. As a host, you'll gain recognition, sharpen your leadership skills, influence your peers, and earn valuable contract points along the way. It's owners helping owners succeed, building the Drive community through every connection. The Drive Host program gives you the opportunity to step forward as an active contributor to the Drive network. Your expertise matters, and every role strengthens your voice in the industry. Current host roles include mentoring peers alongside a coach, hosting a top 20 meeting at your shop, sharing insights as a guest on Drive Facebook Live, and contributing quotes to industry publications. Many new host roles will be introduced in the coming weeks, expanding opportunities for every shop owner to lead and contribute. Each role carries real influence and measurable impact. Every action you take as a host elevates your peers, strengthens Drive's community, and builds your own standing as a respected leader. Ready to get started? Sign up today in the Drive Client Portal app and begin earning host points as you contribute. Host, helping others succeed today.